Can you add songs to Instagram post after posting? In order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. So first thing first, you need to move into your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you're in the home page, now what you need to do is simply move into your profile or click on this plus icon. Select the photo that you want to upload. Once you have selected, click on next. Edit the picture as per your need and then tap on next. Now you can enter the caption related to your picture that you are going to upload. If you are ready to post, click on share at the bottom and then click on not now. Wait for a while for it to upload. Once it has been uploaded, you can move into your profile and see. You can see that it has been uploaded without the music. Now if you want to add the music, click on this icon. You can see there is no any option or the feature in order for it to add. Also, you can try clicking on edit. Here also you can see there is no any option in order for you to add music after posting, which means that it is not possible to post the music after it has been posted. So before you post the picture, you need to enter or include any of the song that you want to, and then only you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.